Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. Alright guys, in this video guys, I'm gonna give you guys a Bitcoin update. I'm gonna talk a little bit about XRP, SUI, Floki, and about how Gary Gensler is being sued by 18 US states, guys. So yeah, let's get right into it, guys. Like always, let's start off with the bubbles, guys. It is a green day. All the bubbles are green. In the top 100, only Monero XMR is negative 3.4% down for the day. But everything else is green, guys, in the top 100, guys. So yeah, remain bullish on the crypto market and on Bitcoin because the parabolic bull run is in effect, guys. And the altcoin season is right around the corner, probably somewhere around 2 weeks to a month, we'll begin the altcoin season, guys. Looks like we got GOAT. It's up 35.1% for the day. We got OHM, the biggest gainer for the top 100 for the day at 16.9%. Then we got Floki at 25.1%. Bonk at 25.7%. And MOG 20.2% for the day. Flare in the XRP ecosystem is up 36.1% for the day. ADA is making a move, 25.2% for the day. And XRP is up 9.4% for the day, guys. And it's going to keep on going up until around November 29th with Bitcoin, guys. Real quick on Floki, guys. Right now might be a good time to buy Floki before it gets listed on Coinbase. Coinbase has listed Floki to the roadmap in Coinbase. It's not actually available to buy, sell, and trade in Coinbase yet, but Floki is about to get listed on Coinbase. Maybe a little bit later, maybe later tonight, or maybe by the time you see this video, it'll already be listed on Coinbase. If not tonight, it should be listed by tomorrow. It usually takes about a day or so for Coinbase to list their coin once they add it to the roadmap, guys. So yeah, I do expect Floki to be listed on Coinbase at any time soon. So if you're watching this video live right now or pretty soon, it might be a good time to buy Floki because it's about to get listed on Coinbase, guys. And usually once coins get listed on Coinbase, they tend to moon. All right, guys, let's get into the Bitcoin update, guys. Current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording right now is $91,344 for Bitcoin. Everything is going good. Nothing to fear. And we're still making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. The parabolic bull run for Bitcoin is still in effect. And if you have been watching my previous videos, you'll know that I do expect Bitcoin to keep rallying all the way up to the end of November, probably November 29th. So probably, around Thanksgiving Day is November 28th. So maybe Thanksgiving Day or a few days after that, it's going to mark the top for Bitcoin. So do expect, Bitcoin to top off right around Thanksgiving Day, guys. So we'll probably see a nice Bitcoin rally and crypto rally in Thanksgiving. But probably, the day after, we're going to start crashing. We're not crashing. We're going to start correcting, guys. Check out my previous video if you guys want to more in-depth analysis why I think Bitcoin is going to rally up to like November 29th, give or take a few days, maybe a few days before November 29th or a few days after November 29th. The Bitcoin local top's going to come in and we're going to start correcting. We're going to do a major correction around like 20 to 30% correction right around November 29th. And the price I see Bitcoin getting to around November 29th is going to be above 100,000. I do see it getting around 120K up to 140K, guys. Like I explained on previous videos, usually Bitcoin rallies for 3 to 4 weeks from the time of the U.S. presidential election, and it makes about 100% gains. So, 3 to 4 weeks from the time of election comes out to be right around November 29, give or take a few days, and the price of elections on November 5th, was right around, like 67,000. So, that's why I expect the Bitcoin price to be right around 120K, between 120K and 140K, for the Bitcoin local top that's going to come in right around November 29, guys. So, yeah, stay bullish on Bitcoin. Don't listen to the FUD out there. don't get bearish on me just because your own pal is probably not gonna cut rates in December. Doesn't mean the Bitcoin rally is gonna stop. Um, the war is not gonna stop it. The recession is not gonna stop it. Nobody's gonna stop it, guys. Nobody can stop the 4-year Bitcoin cycle and the 4-year cryptocurrency cycle. So remain bullish, guys, because we are in the beginning stages of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and you haven't seen nothing yet. This is just the beginning, guys. At any time, Bitcoin is going to hit 94K. That is my next target for Bitcoin. It did get close. It got to as high as 93,495 on November 13. We're in November 16 trading day. The actual day is November 15 here in the U.S., but the actual trading day is already November 16. We closed the green candle today for November 15, so everything's remaining bullish, just making higher lows. So the chart is still bullish. The trend is still upwards. So you gotta trade with the trend because the trend is your friend until the end, guys. So that's why I'm trading bullishly, guys. So remain bullish on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market, guys. Now on to XRP, guys. Another channel's favorite, XRP. Also, you got to remain bullish on XRP. It did make a local top earlier today, to like 93 cents. It did close a green candle for November 15 on the trading day. It's already on November 16 trading day, and it's looking bullish. Like if you guys would have seen my previous video also, I went into depth analysis on XRP. You might want to check that out. But basically, XRP is gonna run to like right around the same time as Bitcoin. It's gonna run up to November 29. But after November 29, it is gonna see a harsh correction, guys. It is gonna correct majorly. Yeah, check out my previous video. I go in-depth analysis on XRP. But just to give you a summary, I do see XRP rallying hard all the way up to like Thanksgiving Day or a day or two afterwards, just like Bitcoin. And I see a price target around $1.50 right around Thanksgiving Day, guys, or a day or two afterwards, guys. So expect XRP to rally up to $1.50 by Thanksgiving Day, November 28th. But probably a few days afterwards, it'll still be rallying November 29th. Right around there, it's gonna make a local top, above $1.50. It could be higher than $1.50. I'm just being conservative. I'm pretty sure it'll be at least $1.50 by November 29, guys. But it could be higher, guys. But around those days, November 29, it's gonna make a local top and it's gonna crash hard. Well, it's not gonna crash. It's just gonna be a major correction because Bitcoin's gonna be correcting and XRP is gonna correct as well, guys. Check out my XRP, my previous video of XRP analysis. I go more well in-depth analysis into the XRP chart, guys. Now moving on to SUI, guys. SUI is definitely pumping, guys. SUI is mooning. It's a coin I've been recommending in my channel. If you guys would have seen my previous channel, I've been recommending it over here since the August 5th low of 46 cents, the Black Monday low of 46 cents. I kept recommending it to everybody, all the way, August and September. It was still like, in the 70 cents. I kept trying to tell everybody, Sui's gonna moon, everybody's liking it, it's got a big community behind it. People think it's the next Solana. I don't think it's gonna do a 500x like Solana did in the last cycle, but I think it is gonna run hard, guys, because it is very popular and it has. If you would have bought Sui around 46, 50 cents, you'd be up like a 7x already, guys. Even if you would have bought it at 70 cents, like I was recommending this whole time since August 5th, August and September, I was recommending it. So you would get good gains. You'd be up like at least a 5x even if you would have bought it in the 70 cents price target, guys. But anyways, it's not too late. It's already mooned a lot, guys. It's already it's local low was made in 2023 of 36 cents. So it's already done over 10x, guys. But it doesn't mean it's not going to do more gains. Let's look at the tokenomics of Sui. Current market cap right now as we speak is 10 billion market cap, 10.9 billion market cap. The total supply is 10 billion. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's only got a 2.85 billion circulation. But don't let that stop you, because many coins have moon even with low circulation. But that's why I don't think it's gonna do a 500 x like Solana did last cycle. But I do see it doing like like a good like 50x at least, because there is gonna be token unlocks. So it's gonna moon, but it's not gonna do like a 500x like Solana did last cycle, guys. I do see it doing like a good 50x from the low. The all-time low was 36 cents. Um, so you know the 100x from 36 cents would be $36. So at least realistically speaking, my bearish case scenario for Sui is at least at 50x. So it would be like like around like $15 to $17 would be like my bearish case scenario for Sui. So you still got like a good 5x for my bearish case scenario for Sui, and my bullish case scenario would be around like $36 to $38, guys. That would be like 100x from the price of its all-time low of 36 cents made in October 19, 2023. Right now, it's currently at its all-time high. It's tapping its all-time high. It is the all-time high right now at 383. This is the highest Sui's ever been. But if you want to see like for sure gains, you could see like a good 5x, on Sui. If it gets to $15, $17, that's my bearish case scenario price prediction. I think Sui will definitely hit around $15 to $17. And my bullish case scenario for Sui is going to be right around $36 to $38, which is a 10x from the price of today. But it's a 100x if you would have caught the low, the all-time low of 36 cents, guys. Or or close to 100x if you would listen to me over here when I was telling everybody to buy it, when it was at 46 cents at the Black Monday low, guys. But anyways, guys, if you want to see like for sure gains, because this coin's not going to go to zero. It's not gonna like disappear. It's not gonna be a rug pull. You could for sure see a 5x to 10x on this coin. So again, just to summarize, my bearish case price prediction for Sui is right around $15 to $17, which would be around a $50 billion market cap. And I do see it making about $100 billion market cap or more, which would be my bullish case scenario, right around $36 to $38 for Sui, guys. So definitely don't miss out on Sui. Also, guys, I want to go over Floki, because like I said earlier, Floki's about to get listed on Coinbase. It's already been added to the Coinbase roadmap, guys. So, if you have some dry powder, it would be a good idea to buy some Sui. Some Floki. Sorry about that. To buy some Floki, because it's about to get listed on Coinbase, and it usually, goes up as soon as it gets listed on Coinbase. It's gonna go up a little bit when it gets listed on Coinbase, but then it retraces, guys. Just letting you know before it gets listed on Coinbase, that it probably Floki is going to have a surge here with the Coinbase listing, guys. Nothing but higher highs and higher lows on Floki, guys. It was consolidating for a long time, since the Black Monday low of 401. It's been consolidating between 401 and like 3017 all of August, September, and October. And then, once the elections hit, it started rallying, and it finally broke the consolidation on November 10th. So it's it's nothing but but blue skies for Floki for right now. So definitely look into Floki, guys, because it's broke the consolidation, so it's gonna start trending upwards now, guys. Current price of Floki is 3026. So I definitely as soon as it gets listed on Coinbase, it wouldn't surprise me if it gets to 303 and above, guys. So definitely would be a good time to buy some Floki if you have some dry powder on the side before the Coinbase listing later tonight or tomorrow, guys. That way you guys can make a quick trade on it, or if you want to just hold it, Floki is going to do really good this cycle as well, guys. I'll do a price prediction video on it probably tomorrow, the next day, here soon. So stay tuned to it, guys. Alright, guys, just wanted to go over these charts with you guys so you guys remain bullish on Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. Now let's get into a little bit of news. Looks like It says Bitcoin to hit repeated all-time highs over the next 2 quarters. This is by Van Eck. I've been saying this. If you would listen to my all my Bitcoin updates, my Bitcoin price prediction video, check it out. I go into in depth in my Bitcoin price prediction, but I've been basically saying that Bitcoin's gonna run hard until probably March or April of 2025, and then it's going to have a major correction. It's going to have a correction in November 29th too, but it's going to make a first like a first higher top in around March or April of 2025, and it's probably going to retrace over 50% once March or April hits 2025, and then it's either going to go into a bear market from there, or it's going to bounce back up and rally to make a second top in September 2025. I think the latter is more likely. I don't think it'll go into a bear market, after March or April 2025. I think it'll probably rally to a new high in September 2025. I mean, I don't have a crystal ball, so I don't know for sure. But I'm just, trading and investing. It's all about probabilities. You just have to be prepared for all cases. So those are the two cases I see, occurring for Bitcoin. It's either going to make a top in March or April 2025, and then go to bear market from there, or it'll bounce back up and make a new high in September 2025. You just got to be ready for both cases, guys. But I do see Bitcoin rallying all the way up to March and April, making new all-time highs over and over for the next 2 quarters, just like this article says here. And I didn't get it from this article. I said it even before this article came out. But I want to share this article with you guys, so you guys just don't listen to me. Even trade top traders and like firms and companies, asset managers are saying the same thing. So it looks like Matthew Sigel, Van Eck's head of digital asset research, says Bitcoin is in blue sky territory and expects the cryptocurrency to run up to 180,000 in 2025. Bitcoin's record-breaking rise since the United States elections is expected to continue. An investment manager and fund manager Van Eck is targeting a price of 180,000 for some time next year. It is just getting started, Van Eck's head of digital assets research Matthew Sigel told CNBC. We're now in blue sky territory, no technical resistance, and we think we are likely to make repeated all-time highs over the next 2 quarters, he added. Yeah, guys, so that's what I'm saying too. Basically in Q4 of 2024 and Q1 of 2025. So Q1 of 2025 ends in March. So I'm thinking somewhere between mid-March, like somewhere between March 15 and April 15, Bitcoin is going to either top off and then go a bear market from there. But more likely, I don't think it'll go into a bear market. More likely, I think it's going to have a major correction, like a 50% correction, and bounce back up, eventually after it corrects 50%, and then I'll go into a new all-time high in September 2025. So just to repeat again, guys, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. I'm not saying it's going to go into a bear market after March or April 2025. That's just a scenario. As a trader, as an investor, we have to be aware of all scenarios, and it's just probabilities, guys, and we gotta trade the probability. I'm just letting you guys know, just in case that's like a 10% chance it'll happen. I'm more into the 90% chance that it's gonna top off in September 2025, and I think the Bitcoin top in September 2025 is gonna be around 150K and 250K, guys. That's my Bitcoin price prediction. Check out my Bitcoin price prediction. I go more thorough on the charts and analysis on my Bitcoin price prediction video on this channel, guys. Check it out, guys. Now, on other news, guys, we have Gary Gensler. It looks like Gary Gensler is being sued. Looks like 18 U.S. states are filing lawsuit against SEC and Gary Gensler. It looks like 18 U.S. states have filed a lawsuit against the Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) and Chair Gary Gensler, accusing the financial regulator of gross government overreach against the crypto industry. The plaintiffs include Nebraska, Tennessee, Wyoming, Kentucky, West Virginia, Iowa, Texas, Mississippi, Ohio, Montana, and other states. So the legal complaint reads like this, guys. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has not respected this allocation of authority. Instead, without congressional authorization, the SEC has sought to unilaterally wrest regulatory authority away from the states through an ongoing series of enforcement actions. According to the Blockchain Association, the SEC's various legal actions against the crypto industry have collectively cost crypto firms $426 million since 2021 to litigate industry. Industry executives have long criticized the agency's lack of coherent digital asset policy as the biggest hurdle that developers face in the United States, guys. Yeah, so this guy right here, Gary Gensler, he's being sued, guys, but he's probably not going to be around pretty soon. A lot of people are saying he's going to resign today or at any time, if not for sure by the time Donald Trump takes office in January 20. So yeah, don't expect Gary Gensler to be around anytime soon. So that's why I think a lot of the cases that the SEC and Gary Gensler are in against crypto companies and firms. I think they're all going to be dropped or settled by the new SEC chair, whoever that is. So definitely remain bullish on the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency because Gary Gensler is going to be gone pretty soon, guys. Maybe by tomorrow he'll be gone. If not by January 20, when President Donald Trump takes office, guys. So yeah, guys, remain bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. Remain bullish on XRP, Sui, and Floki. Once again, guys, Floki is about to get listed on Coinbase, so it might be a good time to buy some Floki. You can't fade XRP. XRP is gonna be $1.50 soon. By Thanksgiving, I believe XRP is gonna be $1.50. So right now might be a good time to pick up some XRP if you don't own some already, guys. Don't fade the meme coins, guys. Look at all the meme coins that are blowing up. Bonk, 26% for the day. Goat, 34% for the day. Floki, 25%. Brett, 21% for the day. Mog is up 21% for the day. Mew, 19% for the day. You can't fade Pepe and Doge. Those are all going to be big winners, guys. Don't fade the meme coins, guys. I do believe this is going to be a meme coin bull run, guys. 90% of the top 100 coins are going to run, but I do think the meme coins are going to overshadow the rest of the market, guys. So don't fade the meme coins, guys. I do believe this is going to be a meme coin crypto bull run, guys. It's already been a meme coin crypto bull run, and I think it's going to keep going, guys. So yeah, guys, stay tuned to the channels for more update, guys. I wish you guys the best. Right now is the time to buy. If for some weird reason you're still sitting on the sidelines hoping for Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies to make lower prices, I wouldn't do that, guys. I don't see Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies going lower. I don't see a crash coming for Bitcoin, guys. So definitely I don't think there's gonna be any lower prices than they are right now, guys. I mean, the time to buy was in August, September, and October, guys. Hopefully you bought then. Hopefully you guys were listening to my videos. I was letting you guys know the time to buy was August, September, and October. Right now it's just the time to buy the dip. Whatever dry powder you have, buy Bitcoin or your favorite cryptocurrency. You gotta buy that dip, and reap the rewards in 2020-25, guys. All right, guys, stay tuned for more updates, guys. This Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.